video, relevant tests will be conducted on the cleaning machine to ensure its normal operation. Then, after confirming with our customers, packaging and shipment will be carried out. During transportation, solid packaging such as U.S.A foam and wooden cases and so on will be used to protect the solar panel cleaning robots so that you can receive the intact product. We will make every effort to offer you a satisfactory shopping experience, such as complete technical support, excellent shipping capacity, and quick response customer service, and so on. We have a professional R&D team and over 80 independent intellectual property rights. We must be your trustworthy cooperator. Sunshine for you, motivate to all.